Hi, I am Dr. Devashree Gangopadhyay, Consultant Pediatric Cardiologist at R.N. Tagore Hospital, Mukundapur, Kolkata. Today I want to share a few facts about fetal cardiac diagnosis. This is basically a test by which we get to know about the unborn baby's heart. Why is it important to know about heart defects in babies which are not yet born? This is because lot of babies can be born with heart defects, and heart defects in babies are quite common in occurrence. If not diagnosed in time, there are a lot of heart defects which can be devastating in outcome. So it is really important that we know about baby's heart, whether it is absolutely perfect or there is any major defect which we need to take care of. The International Society of Ultrasound in Obstetrics and Gynecology recommends that all pregnant women should be screened for heart defects in their babies between 16 to 18 weeks when the second trimester ultrasound scan is performed. But unfortunately, this facility or this skill expertise is not universally available in all the centers which are providing this service. Hence lies the importance of universal fetal echocardiography. Usually, fetal echocardiography is performed between 18 to 20 weeks of gestation. That is when the mother is carrying an 18 to 20 weeks old fetus. But it can also be performed up to 26 to 28 weeks in case there is any urgent necessity. This test takes about 30 minutes to 1 hour to take a good look at the fetus, and it is based on ultrasound, so does not involve exposing the unborn baby to any harmful radiation or chemical. There are certain conditions which are known to put the mother or the fetus at a higher risk for having a congenital heart defect. But ironically, a lot of times heart defects are diagnosed in fetuses where there was no identifiable risk factors. So here lies the importance of universal screening of all babies for cardiac defect. If a heart defect can be diagnosed before birth, then that gives an opportunity to the treating medical team and also to the expecting parents to plan the delivery at a tertiary care center or a center where cardiac care can be made available immediately after birth if necessary.